There's a friend in Thimble Valley that we're on our way to see, to hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground and his name is Roly Mo. Roly, 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 Roly Mo. He's the rolliest mo you'll ever know, and his name is Roly Mo.
La 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 la. Hello to you. How do you do? Oh, excuse me. I've got the hiccups. Ready? Then off we go.
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I'm just finishing off the washing up.
Hello, Uncle Roly.
Oh, hello there, little Bo. I was just telling our friends that...
Sorry, Uncle Roly. I've got the hiccups today.
Oh, dear. I think you need a sip of water.
Oh, thank you, Uncle Roly. That feels much better.
Maybe a song will help. Think of things that make you happy. Make a list of the things you love.
Don't be a grump or make a fuss. All you have to do is sing with us.
If you really want to sing, if you really want to smile, then just think of all these happy things. Being happy is our style.
Sunny days and pretty flowers, the colour pink and rhymes are fun. Roly stories, little floppy, and great big kisses from my mum.
There's my garden and my knitting, and I really love to cook. Looking through my Roly scope and reading a really lovely book. If you really want to sing, if you really want to smile, then just think of all these happy things. Being happy is our style. Oh dear. Let's see. Maybe you need to think about something else, and then the hiccups will go away.
How about my Bissy book? Bissy book, let's take a look.
Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a thimble? Who can you see? It's Florrie. What are we going to do today, Florrie?
Oh, look. 1,
2.
3. 3 flower pots.
There's something hiding behind the flower pot. Can you guess what it is?
Look, there's a handle.
Can you guess what it is?
It's an umbrella. I wonder what's hiding behind that flower pot. That looks like a wheel.
And there's another wheel too. Can you guess what it is?
Is it a bicycle? Yes, it is a bicycle.
And I wonder what's hiding behind that flower pot.
Oh, they look like ears.
Can you guess what it could be?
Oh, is it a cat?
Yes, it's a cat.
Look.
Thank you, Florrie. See you again soon. There. Did that work?
No, it didn't.
You go! Migo! Wigo! Amigo! Let's a go-go!
Listen.
No, can't hear anything.
That's right. There isn't anything to hear. My hiccups have gone, Uncle Roly.
Your hickety pops?
Yes, my hickety pops. They've gone.
Good. Then let's play a game.
All right. What shall we play?
Oh, I know. Hide and hide. I'm good at that.
Can I hide first? Can I?
All right, then. You hide first, Migo. Uncle Roly, will you play with us too?
Of course I will. Are you all ready?
Ready?
Then off you go, Migo.
Let's count.
1,
2, 3, 7, 16, 23, 7, 35, 63, 24.
Got to find somewhere to hide where no one will find me.
6,
72,
98, 99,
100. Coming, ready or not. Is Migo in the bedroom? Is he over here? Or is he over there? Can you see him anywhere? No, he's not here. Let's go and look somewhere else.
Is Migo in the library? Is he over here? Or is he over there? Can you see him anywhere? Ooh, I don't think he's in here. Let's go and look in another room.
Is Migo in the living room? Is he over here? Or is he over there? Can you see him anywhere? What's that? That looks like a yellow tail. Found you, Migo.
Come and hide with me, little Bo.
Coming to find you, ready or not.
Oops. Shh. Oops. What was that?
That was a hiccup.
Oh, that was a hickety pop.
Hippity hoppity hoo! What are you diddly doing?
Shh. We're hiding and hiccuping.
No, we're not. The hickety pops have gone now.
Ooh, can I hide with you? Can I?
Yes, but we need to be quiet.
Ah! Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I wondered what the noise was.
I am the hiccuping frog.
No, you're not. The hickety pops have gone away again.
Hugo will never find us now.
Ooh, do you know, I've got just the story for you. You stay there, and I'll be back in a Roly-mo.
Story time with Roly Mo.
Our favourite time of day.
When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you will see? When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. With cats and dogs and birds and frogs, a monkey who says boo. Boo, wonderful things, giants and kings, and maybe a thimble or two. Now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. A story about finding, if you please. Ah, thank you. Now then, are you hiding comfortably?
Yes.
Good. Then I'll begin. Molly, Mirinda and Molly's Gran were at the beach. They had great fun looking in rock pools, but they couldn't find any little sea creatures. Just seaweed. Keep looking, girls, said Gran. They're probably hiding.
I'm good at hiding too,
Said Molly.
let's play hide and seek.
Said Mirinda. You two hide, said Gran, and I'll come and find you. Gran closed her eyes and counted slowly to 10. Here I come, called Gran. But it didn't take her long to find Molly. And it didn't take long to find Mirinda either.
How did you find us so quickly?
Asked Molly. Easy, replied Gran with a chuckle. I just followed your footprints in the sand.
Oh, yes,
Said Mirinda.
Can we have another go?
So Gran closed her eyes again and started to count. Mirinda whispered something to Molly, and off they went to hide. Gran finished counting, looked at the sand, and went straight over to a big rock. Found you, she called out, and out popped Mirinda. Well, I found you, she said to Mirinda, but I don't know where Molly can be. There's only one set of footprints this time. It's very mysterious. Here I am, shouted Molly. But how did you get there? Asked Gran. There's only one set of footprints. Did you fly?
No,
Laughed Molly.
I didn't fly, but I walked in Mirinda's footprints. We played a trick on you.
Laughed Mirinda. Very clever, smiled Gran, and Molly and Mirinda giggled about the mystery of the footprints all the way home. Lovely.
Trying to find you.
Come and hide, Uncle Roly. He's coming. He's coming.
Shh. Shh. Hush.
Boo! Found you. Told you I was good at this game.
If you're happy and you know it, sing with me. If you're happy and you know it, sing with me.
If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, sing with me.
If you're happy and you know it, hiccup with me. If you're happy and you know it, hiccup with me. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, hiccup with me.
Oh, haven't we had fun today?
Yes, it's been a roly-moly day.
You will come and join us next time in Fimble Valley, won't you? Now it's time for us all to go. Cheerio!
Listen to this.